Today we're going to be talking about something that is often overlooked in the world of men's grooming: skincare. That's right, guys. Clear skin isn't just for the ladies. First things first, let's talk about why skincare is important. Not only does taking care of your skin make you look better, but it also helps keep your skin healthy. Men's skin tends to be oilier than women's, which means we're more prone to breakouts and acne. Plus, if you're somebody who shaves regularly, skincare can help prevent razor burn and irritation. So without further ado, let's get into the tips. Start with the basics. The first step in getting clear skin is to start with the basics: cleanse, moisturize, and protect. By cleanse, I mean using a facial wash or cleanser to get rid of dirt, oil, and any other impurities that might be clogging your pores. Follow that up with a good moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and protected, and finish it off with a sunscreen to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Exfoliate regularly. The next step to clear skin is to exfoliate regularly. Exfoliating helps get rid of dead skin cells that can clog your pores and lead to breakouts. I recommend exfoliating 2-3 times per week, depending on your skin type. Be sure to use a gentle exfoliator, as over-exfoliating can be harmful to your skin. Be mindful of your diet. Believe it or not, what you eat can have a big impact on your skin. Foods high in sugar and unhealthy fats can lead to breakouts and acne, while foods rich in vitamins and antioxidants can promote healthy skin. Make sure you're getting plenty of fruits and vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats in your diet. Take care of your facial hair. If you're somebody who rocks facial hair, it's important to take care of it to avoid any irritation or breakouts. Make sure you're cleansing the skin underneath your beard or mustache regularly, and use a beard oil or balm to keep it hydrated. Be consistent and patient. Finally, the key to getting clear skin is to be consistent and patient. Skincare is not a quick fix, and it may take a few weeks or even months to start seeing results. Stick to a consistent regimen, and don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away.